Here are the top 10 animals that dominate extreme environments. 10. Camel. Regulates heat, conserves water, thrives where life collapses. 9. Mountain goat. Precision climber on terrain that denies mistakes. 8. Emperor penguin. Survives polar cold through endurance and unity. 7. Saltwater crocodile. Apex control in both ocean currents and river deltas. 6. Polar bear. Top predator in the harshest climate on Earth. 5. Tardigrade. Resilient to radiation, vacuum, and extreme temperatures. 4. Arctic fox. Insulation and efficiency built for the frozen desert. 3. African elephant. Endures brutal heat while engineering its environment. 2. Yak. High-altitude powerhouse with oxygen-efficient physiology. 1. Saharan silver ant. Operates in heat levels fatal to nearly all other life. Adaptation isn't luck, it's dominance through resilience.